First trip to Montebello all year. To be honest, I wanted to hit up as many Shieks as possible. Got a Pippen jersey for way cheap here way back when. They still do have their 25% off already discounted prices. Definitely need to ask when that ends. Check in the Jordan retros. And I guess it's it right here. I wasn't sure if these were grade school or men's. 7.5. I believe that is men's. The Jordan 1s right there. Trying to find some lows for my kiddo. Don't really see too many Jordan 1s that are really fire though. Probably me just being picky because I tend to only buy the Jordan 1 low OGs. Under $100 for that one. SEs right here, $54 after the discount. That's crazy. Not much craziness in the men's Jordan section. Let's see what's going on. We're in the men's Nike. Got multiple colorways of the Rejuvenates right here. $70 for those bad boys right here. Got a gray one and like a tan color. Got Forces right here, $75. Another 15 also at $60. Got a fake Bape one right here. Two-tone, or that's actually 3 different colors. Interesting colorway. These not on sale. Have these been moving like that? I don't think I've ever seen anybody wear one of these. I like this colorway right here. I like this colorway. $160. Don't want to pay that price. I've not seen many of these at the outlets. I don't think I've seen any, have I? I think this ties the price that we've seen at Shoe Palace as well as some of the outlets. $60 for these after a discount. Force Gump Cortez right here, one of the classics. That goes under $50. Halloween Cortez under 50 or under 60, my bad. And then I don't know what that price is. 25 off though. Got the Vomeros right here. Also got the Dunks. Not seeing anything crazy that I gotta grab for my kiddo quite yet. More Dunks over here. Women's section right here. Pretty freaking dope. Look at this, man. Man, such a good price. Let's see if, oh, this is a grade school. Oh, this ain't grade school. Oh, dang it. This isn't women's, this is grade school. I really like these, especially for the price. Especially with 25 off. I'm gonna have to ask one of the workers when the sale ends, because prices, look at this. Air Max 90 for freaking $40. That's $30 after the discount. Holy crap, 30 freaking dollars for Air Max 90s, grade school. And then Rejuvenates right here. That's definitely the cheapest. We see those at, what would that go down to? $47.50? I think they mixed the grade school and women's together. Look at this, $40. So $30 for Cortez right here. Want them in all white, they got them for $60. Then you get that extra discount. These Dunks pretty clean right here. $60. That's what, 40, like $40, a little under $40. My bad, that's $45. Definitely going to be checking for my kiddo. Not finding anything today, especially in this section. Definitely not finding too much. Even in the men's section, my kiddo, he won't like patent leather. I think this is too big too. Size 10 right here on display. Yeah, I don't see him liking any of this stuff right here. This is a hell of a price. He might not mind this. He might not mind this. I'm saying this because he's not like he loves Jordan brands. It's not like he loves sneakers. He doesn't really care what he wears as long as they're comfortable. These don't look that bad actually. Let me see if he likes these. Valentine's Day Vomeros right here as well. $75 in the women's. This one goes down big time. Holy crap. $60 for those. These bad boys right here. Blue, gray, and cream color. Also going for $60. Pretty freaking clean. I like these. Puma right there with a couple sales. But nothing too crazy. These Puma suedes. These go down to $30. Pink ones right here as well. Puma suede XLs right here, $80. So that drops down to $60. Simpsons Crocs not on sale. $70, expensive because of the damn licensing fees. Haven't seen these too often. Still got, I think this is a compact though, right? This is the 350 V2 compacts. Then some of these Sambas right here, $40. 70 for this campus right here. What's with these Sambas with the different outsole? Oh, the XLG, the extra large ones or something. A campus right here. Another one of these Sambas with the big midsoles. Did talk to one of the workers. They said they didn't really get a heads up on when the sale's gonna end. So guess you guys should check it out ASAP. Got the double Foot Locker right here. This used to be, I think, the Puma lab, but they got rid of that. So yeah, let's go see what's up with the Foot Locker. I don't see one of those 70% off racks. They do have a 50% off. Lightweight hoodie right here, $100, so $50. I don't see no tech fleece or nothing, just regular fleece right here, $60. Couple different colors right here, $65. I guess these are the newer ones. Seen the sales tables at a few spots, $70 for all kinds of dunks. Prices ain't bad. $70 ain't bad. These are up to like 110 or something now. Sales rack right here, nothing too interesting. Kind of like these. Like, I think my kiddo would like them. I'm gonna go check on the shoes back at Shiekh at the end of the visit. I didn't feel like carrying around everything, but I'm gonna check to see if they have a size. Then maybe go to a couple of the Shieks if they don't have a size here, because $60 for those Jordans, pretty freaking cheap. Vomeros, I think the Vomeros go down to $60. I don't remember how much the Jordans are, but yeah, pretty solid prices. These are Bondis right here, 130. We've seen these for 100 different colorway at Shoe Palace. 2002 R's go for $990. I thought these were $990s. That's the P6000s. Are these the P6000s? No, the V2K runs. My bad. V2K runs right here go for $70. I think these are the only spots with the Kyrie casual line right here. They got 3 different colorways. These are just wild. These are definitely wild. Not the biggest fan of them. I like laces, but I don't know. 3 different laces. A little bit much, but they're different. $125 if that's your thing right there. We've been seeing the AEs on sale. Every Foot Locker got them on sale. Pretty dope. The 2s are gonna come out soon, so they definitely should be on sale. I got the Adizero Evo is here. Still tripping me out that Foot Locker has like actual running shoes now. $150 for these. This is Adidas's premier running shoe. They don't have the Invincible Runs or Vomeros or anything here though. It'd be the Vomeros. They're really pushing the Vomeros now. See, like, I think my kiddo would be okay with these right here. I don't think I have a survey coupon. I did do a survey, but I don't think they sent me a coupon. What's up with that? I just realized that. What the hell's up with that? But yeah, kind of similar prices to the 2.3s. I don't know, is this better than the 2.3s for my kiddo? I don't know, that's $100 though. Are these better? No, he won't like that color. Is this better than the 2.3? About the same price if I have a survey coupon somewhere. All right, I do have a survey coupon. I need to fill out another one. So I bought a couple things at Champs recently. I don't know, my kid like this. Oh, it's a 10.5 on display. Wonder if they have small size. I wonder if he'll like this one or the other ones. Let me check with him. This is suede. It's a faux suede. And then Jordan releases, of course, they got the latest release, the 8s. They got the Great 5s. Oh, they still have these. Most spots have not had these, but some spots have had them on sale. Pure Money 3s as well as the Rare Air 3s. 3 different 3s. That's pretty crazy, to be honest. I really love all the 3s. And then the shoot off section right here. Looks like they got the women's and the kids stuff over here. Okay. It does look like they're finally converting their finish line to JD Sports right here. This looks way bigger than it used to be. What the hell's up with this bootleg Shoe Palace right here? What the hell? What's going on? Temporary location. I think they're moving to a bigger spot. They got a lot of stuff here. Other side, they got plenty as well. $100 for the Obsidians right here. The Obsidian Jordan 1 Low OGs. Kind of like these. I like these a lot. Like these as well. $80 for these. Flight courts right here. I like the suede material. Really nice on these. Thin. It is thin, but it is nice. I like these. And then this the one that I'm checking over there? No, this is the one that was at Foot Locker, right? Yeah, texted my kiddo, see if he likes these. Rare Airs right here, 130 here. Couple of the 2002 Rs right here. Everything's just kind of everywhere here because they're here temporarily. In August, they're opening up their bigger, newer location. They got a lot of 2002s on sale right here. These are 110. These are the Bondi 9s right here, 180. Dang, these went up to 175. 175. The Bondi 9s went up to 175. Wow. They were like 160 before. Wow. This Mason article, yeah, I don't know about the material. It's just so thin. $10. Feels like a blouse or something. What the hell? This stuff feels a lot better. Just not my style, but it's nice and thick. Like these pants right here. It's like, what the hell is that called? Like when they weave stuff together, like when the old ladies do that. 20 bucks for those. And look, they got these here. Is this a women's? These are kids. Oh, these are grade school 4.5 of the 14s. Suede. I don't even think I saw these in the men's because they sold out so quick. Damn. So temporary location. Apparently they're moved out of the smaller location. It wasn't even that small, but they moved out of that location. They're making a huge one. Yeah, that's their temporary location until next month. That store looks ready. What's going on? Is there something going on? Is that one already open? I don't know. Let me know in the comment section. Maybe something went down. I don't know. Dude got a Pro Image. I kind of don't feel like checking that out today, but looks like they got a nice little clearance section, to be honest. Dude got a Champs right here. These dudes even got the Harden 8s right here? Or is these the 7s? These are the 7s, no? Oh, the Harden 8s, yeah. They still have the Harden 8s. That's definitely a surprise. And they didn't let them lower the price until now, huh? That's crazy. Maybe they got these late or something. And they got the Harden 9 still. Got 3 of them for 130. And the AEs, of course, have been showing you guys at $70. They don't have any $60 ones, but they got 3 different colorways. 3 different colorways for 70 bucks. Starship Trooper colorway right here. Kind of like that 3M on the tip as well. I never noticed that it has 3M right there. That's pretty dope. I don't know why I like 3M so much. And they got the campuses right here. $70 and then $60 for this blue one. I kind of like this blue one. The different lace right there. And then it even goes down further, $50 for these right here. Okay, now they're hooking up Champs with some deals. I feel like Champs was getting neglected for a while. 50 bucks for these. I like this colorway too. Not bad, Champs, not bad. Appreciate the deals, you guys. See, this is what doesn't make sense. Foot Locker has these for $10 less. Like, I would be happy to buy it here, but why would I buy it here if it's $10 less? And then over there, they got this one right here as well. Third different colorway of the Flight Courts on sale. And they got a couple of the one lows right here. Black and white, matched with everything. And got a few more of these back here. Yo. Why am I neglecting this section right here? 70% off CSG jacket right here, 65 bucks. That brings it down under 20 freaking dollars. And I told you, CSG stuff, pretty freaking nice. Does this have 3M, by the way? Hold up. Oh, no, just on like just in certain areas. Dang it. I thought it had 3M in between. No, I definitely would have grabbed it. This ain't bad, dude. For under $20. Looks pretty nice. Do got the matching pants right here, which I don't do anyways, but still, you can wear those with jeans and stuff like that for $20 freaking dollars. All right, that does drop these down to $19.50. Look at this. Look at this. Not bad, dude. You could wear this with any brand. That's a big thing. Like, most of my stuff is Nike, so I have to kind of wear it with Nike. This, you could wear it with anything. $19.50. Look at how clean it is. It's so soft as well. I'm thinking about it. And since I am in front of a mirror, let's talk about what I'm wearing. Kobe 1 Protro. This is the MPLS colorway right here. And since I do have the MPLS shorts, I figured I'd wear them as well. And it's hot enough to wear a tank top. And look at this $5 bin. See what's up right here. I see a lot of ankle socks. Us older fools apparently ain't buying CSG socks from this store. Looking for some crew socks for my kiddo. These performance socks are the business right there. That's what I'm talking about. $5 for those. Such a good deal. Yeah, I don't see any crew socks. Only ankle socks though. They only got stuff for us old farts. Nothing for the younger kiddos, unfortunately. Dang it. They got you with the P6000s for $70. Kobe 1, aka Crazy Ones. Double Bubble Air Max 90s. Ultra Boost lights, $80. Didn't we see this on the wall over there? That's pretty much the sales section here. Nothing too crazy. They have the beanies here as well for $10, but no Lakers ones. Only got the Golden State Warriors and Clippers. They got Clippers trucker hats right here. New Era for $10, as well as these Angels ones as well. They got some $20 hats as well. The Nike, I guess their new thing is the chrome Nike signs, because they're coming out with a bunch of those. This one's a gold one right here. This is a women's for $170. Even the casuals are tired of the Air Max 270s. Okay, because we rarely ever see these on sale, especially at the retail locations. Even at the outlets, we haven't even seen them on sale that often. Definitely a solid store. I don't think I'm gonna get the jacket. I need to get stuff for my kiddo downstairs. So let's go knock that out. Solid store though. That was the Shoe Palace's old section. They just had those two slots right there, and apparently they're getting a third slot, so they're taking over the store next to them. Wow, Shoe Palace coming up. Did stop by the Borders, didn't have anything crazy. Now my kiddo, he wants SB Dunks instead of the Jordans and the Vomeros that I saw. So all right, gonna head out to the Borders near my neighborhood. Gonna try to go see if they got one there, or if anything, I'll go to Glendale, grab them. But I guess that's it, man. Gonna wait till the next episode till I grab sneakers for my kiddo. We out, man. We out. Haven't checked out a food court in a while. They got all the staples. They got Panda. They got Charlie's Philly cheese. I freaking love them. Hot dog on a stick. They have this place called Chicken now. I think they have chicken sandwiches, chicken burgers, chicken sandwiches. Torta Grill right here, I guess Mexican food. Tonkatsu, which is a Korean fusion restaurant. Yeah, it looks like stir fry. They got stir fry, that type of stuff. And then they got bento boxes, which is more Japanese. Great Khans right here, the Mongolian grill. Got a Sbarro. They have an opening for like pop-up restaurants, I guess. Dumpling spot, Mediterranean grill, Sensai, then a boba shop. I'd have to give this place an 8. They got a good variety, not super bougie. My type of food court, to be really honest.